How to use Zelle to transfer money between banks. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from HelpDeck. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Zelle in order to transfer money between banks. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, if you want to use the Zelle app to transfer money between banks, so instead of actually using the Zelle app, we're going to use the banking app in which we have the service for Zelle. For example, all of the banks on US actually can transfer money with Zelle. So if you're using the PNC banking app, you can transfer money with Zelle within the PNC banking app to some other banks as well. If you're doing it for Chase, you have to open the Chase banking app. This process differs from banking app to banking apps as well, so just keep that in mind. In my case, I'm just using the PNC bank, and if I want to transfer money with Zelle or send money with Zelle on my PNC banking app, then it's very simple. Just open it up and then look for the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen, as you could see. Once you do so, on the next page you will see this kind of interface, and right over here you'll find the option called send money with Zelle. If you're using for Chase, you could find this option in somewhere else. If you're using for some other banks, you could be finding the option in some other places as well. So you just have to keep that in mind. And once you select send money with Zelle, you'll find this option that says to simply request and enter the amount. So go ahead and enter the amount. If you're transferring for some other banks, you have to select the name of the bank as well. As soon as you've done it, you can see it will give you this kind of little pop-up if you're doing it for the first time that says it uses Zelle to link between banks, which means that send and receive money with people you know and trust, even if their accounts is with a different US based bank or credit union. So as I said, you can actually transfer to a different bank account within the US territory if you're using and transferring with Zelle. Once you tap on the get started button on the next page, you can select the amounts that you want to send for. You can send to whom you're sending, to which bank you're sending, hit the send button, and then on the next specific page you have to select again their name or phone number, their email, and so on. Select the recipient, and once you've done so, tap on the all done button, which is at the bottom of the screen. That's all it takes to use Zelle to transfer money between banks. As I said, this process will differ from banking apps to banking apps as well within the US territory. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.